Boom, 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 boom. I missed Minecraft, but I didn't really want to play main game Minecraft, you know what I mean? I was really excited to see that we had a mini game mod. Yeah, I wanted to play it with somebody, but I also wanted just to try it out. I don't know, I just didn't really know what to do, you know? Plus, I don't think anybody's really played Minecraft lately. And it's always fun when you run into everybody on the server, but if no one's really around to... No one's actively playing. I didn't want to be alone. Hello? Is anybody there? You want to log into Minecraft, please? Ping everybody in the server. Hello, do you want to play Minecraft today? You guys do that? You ping the buddies in the Discord? Hey! Log on. Keep me company. It's not like I want your company or anything.